Hey guys, welcome to Moneyball. Beautiful Sunday. We came in today to record. We're happy to be here with you guys. Quickly, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe because we're sure glad you guys are here with us. And we try really hard to bring you all of the news with no spin on it. And that's news that includes things that will help you make money. And today, specifically, probably one of the reasons why you're here, is we're going to talk about something new called HOMETAP. This is something, guys, that I've been seeing come across my desk a lot lately. And what it is you have people out there, if you're a homeowner, that will lend you money based on the future value of your home. That's right. And get this, there's no payments, there's no interest. The only stipulation is that you pay them back within 10 years. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to be right back and we're going to tell you all about it. Welcome to Moneyball. Okay guys, so let's get to why you're here today, and that's to talk about HOMETAP. Now guys, I want to start this off with a very quick story. We had a lady that called in last week for a loan, owned a house that was worth $2.5 million, owed nothing on the house, but she had absolutely no credit. It was destroyed for one reason or another. So typically guys, when we get calls like this, when any broker gets a call like this, the most they can do, they've got two choices. They can put time, investment, energy, and money into trying to help that person restore their credit history, which is certainly one route you can take. Or you can get that person a hard money loan. And these loans typically carry very high investment rates, 9, 10, 11%, high fees, high closing costs, and typically a quicker payback term. So it's not as convenient as one might think. So what did we do for her? Well, we partnered up with HOMETAP. What HOMETAP is, check this out, guys. No credit checks. Sounds unbelievable, and I know you've probably heard this before, but I'll just remind you that I'm not an affiliate. I don't get paid to bring you this stuff. I have no financial interest in pitching HOMETAP your way, okay? So keep that in mind. So what we did is we partnered with HOMETAP. We got her to do an online estimate. I'm going to provide you the link here soon in the description of this video. Now, what they'll do, check this out. It may sound difficult, but it's not. They will predict what your house is going to be worth in 10 years. And with that prediction, let's say your house is worth $150,000 right now, okay? And in 10 years, they say it's going to be worth $200,000. They'll make an investment in you and your home today. In other words, when I say investment, what I mean is they'll give you money. You can use this money for whatever your heart desires. You can go gambling with it, if that's what you choose to do. You can fix up your house, you can buy Bitcoin, you can invest, you can go buy another house. They're not going to put any restrictions on how you use that money. And you don't have any payments, guys. There's no interest, no payments. They're not going to do inspections throughout this term. This is a 10-year term, by the way. And you have the option to either pay them back when you die, pay them back when you sell the house, or pay them back in little as 2 or 3 years, whenever you want to, by taking out another loan or by using money that you came into by savings, however you see fit. And the one thing you would need to know is how they make their money. And so that's why I'm bringing you this video, because although it's a great product and a great way for someone who doesn't have any credit history to immediately tap into their home's equity, they are making money, make no mistake about it. And here's how they're doing it. Let's say they loan you $25,000. They're going to write a contract up saying that within 10 years, we know your home's going to be worth $200,000. We want you to pay us back a 20% fee based on the home's future value. Now, it may not be worth $200,000. See, the company could lose. It may not be worth that. But what they are saying is that no matter which direction it goes, up or down, you agree to pay them back 20% of the home's future value, and they're going to give you $25,000 today. Maybe $30,000. Maybe $35,000. Now, if you do the math, 20% of $200,000, which is in that example the home's future value, that's $40,000. So you can see the difference is what they make. And this is one way to where you can tap into your home's equity with no payments, no interest, and no obligations. You can have future investors into the home. You can do whatever your heart desires. You can take out a third mortgage, a fourth mortgage. So I thought it was important that I bring this to you guys. It's a great product. I already know several people that are flocking to have it done. So check it out. I'm going to, again, put a link to this company in my description. And a few more things we want to tell you about this company as soon as we come right back. Thanks, guys. Okay, guys, that's HOMETAP. I hope you enjoyed the value that brought to you. Now, I was so excited to bring this company to you guys because, well, number one, they're the new kids on the block. It's a brand new thing that's going on, and it's one sure way to get a loan, even if you can't traditionally get it through the normal channels. So, guys, next week we're going to show you how to put $300,000 into your bank account. My wife and I have about 30 to 40% of that video done. And remember, we're trying to give you just the facts, so we're taking our time with this video to make sure that when you watch it, you can immediately put it to work for you. And if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, tune in with us every week, guys. We appreciate you being here. And remember, here at Moneyball, what we strive to do, no spin, just the facts, and you got a friend in this community. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a great week. We'll see you soon.